Hello everyone, my name is David and you are watching English with David. Today we are going to talk about question tags, as we have already discussed question tag in our previous session. If you haven't watched that video, please watch um, that video so that you understand it better. Okay, so today we have part 2 of question tags. Okay, so let's first of all let's review some rules as we have discussed in our last session. Let's recall all those rules so that we get easy to make these questions. Okay, so first rule was that if our sentence is in positive, if our sentence is positive, then our question tag should be negative, right? So if the that statement is positive, then question tag will be negative. If our statement is negative, then question tag will be positive. Okay, this was the first rule we discussed, right? And the another rule was we change our full stop to comma, right? And third thing we discussed, that was tense should be same of the statement and the question tag. Our tense should be same. And then the third thing was contraction. I told you what contractions are, like can plus not. If we merge both, then it becomes can't, right? Like will plus not won't. Okay, should plus not shouldn't, right? Shall plus not shan't, right? We discussed those. So these were some rules. Okay, let's get started now. Our first statement is Krishna did not work hard. Krishna did not work hard. First of all, we should see that if the sentence is positive, then question tag will be negative. Now this statement is negative, right? Did not. So this is negative, then our question tag will be positive. So now next thing is to check the tense. This is in past indefinite, right? It is in past indefinite. See, we change this, and then Krishna did not work hard, did. Now we need to use pronoun here because we never use noun, right, in question tag. So according to Krishna, pronoun will be he. Did he? Yes, Krishna did not work hard. Krishna did not work hard, did he? Okay. Now the next sentence is they have done a good job. They have done a good job. The sentence is positive. Yes, so our question tag will be negative. Okay. Our second sentence is they have done a good job. If our sentence is positive, then question tag will be negative. Now see this. Use full stop to just convert it to comma. Now have done, this is present perfect tense, so have done will be haven't they, right? Pronoun will be same here. So they have done a good job, haven't they, right? Next, let's see the next sentence. Third, Lakshmi knows little Punjabi, right? So this little, you need to remember this word is negative, right? It has negative sense. So little, right? So Lakshmi knows little Punjabi. Now our question tag will be positive. Why? Because this little is negative. Okay, it's about nil, right? So Lakshmi knows little Punjabi. Does she? According to Lakshmi, we use pronoun she. Okay, and does, why? Because this is negative, so we need positive question tag. Now the next sentence is I am going home. If you remember in my last session, I told you in contraction, I told you that am plus not, when we merge both, it becomes aren't. Do you remember this? Okay, so I am going home. We need, this is positive sentence, we need negative that question tag. So aren't I? Yes, I am going home, our entire. Okay. Next is Charu will find the answer. Charu will find the answer. So now the question, this statement is positive. So our question tag will be negative. Again, see the sentence. This is future indefinite. Okay. So will plus not, when we merge both will and not, it becomes won't. Won't she. Right, according to Charu, pronoun will be she. Next is Pooja will be doing the work. Pooja will be doing the work. This is future continuous tense, will be here, okay, and ing form. Now if we make it, if this is positive sentence, we need a negative question tag, as you all already know. So will plus not, won't. According to Pooja, she, and then this particle, right? This see, Pooja will not be doing the work, won't she be? Alright. Next is Ritika had a huge house. Ritika had a huge house. See this had. This is past indefinite. Why? This had is the second form of has. Has, had, or have, had, right? So this is second form. Verb second form. So this is past indefinite tense. Okay. Don't consider this as past perfect because we don't have any third form here. So this is past indefinite. Okay. So Ritika had a huge house. Now if we need negative question tag. So didn't she. According to Ritika, pronoun will be she. Next is I am not allowed to go. I am not allowed to go. Right? This is a negative sentence. So we need positive question tag. So this will be am I. I hope you understood this, right? So we discussed these 8 statements we change into question tag, right? I hope your concepts are clear that how to change statement to the question tag, right? Now we are going to discuss some a few more rules. Okay, so now see this. We have some word like some, right? Any, and every, and no. With this we use sometimes buddy, sometimes thing, right? Somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody, right? And thing also, something, anything, everything, and nothing. So this we use for living being, and this we use for non-living things. Okay. So when we make sentence like this, so here we use helping verb. Here with these subjects or with these pronoun we use they as pronoun. Okay. With these words we use they pronoun in the sentence, and they is plural pronoun, so we use plural helping verb before it. Okay, when we make the question tag and then question tag. And this is thing. With thing we use always it, and with it is already singular pronoun. Yes, as you all know. So with it we use singular helping verb and then question mark. Let's take some example like someone picked my bag, right? If we need to make this we need to convert it into question tag, then we need to change this, and then see this is positive sentence, right? Someone picked my bag, then picked second form, right? This is past indefinite, so didn't they. Okay, we use they pronoun because of someone, we need to use they pronoun. I hope you understand this, right? Next sentence, let's take one more sentence. Nothing helped. Nothing helped me. Okay, nothing helped. This is nothing helped me. Nothing, as you know, this is a negative word, so we need positive question tag, right? So according to this, we need positive question tag. So help, this is past indefinite, so we need did for this. Did. According to this is nothing. This is non-living, right? Nothing. Did it. We need did it. Okay. This is what how to use it and they when we have such words like some, any, every, no. Okay. So I hope you understood this session and hoped this will help you in your examination. So thank you very much. If you like this session, please share this so that I can make more videos, and please comment. Okay. Thank you.